Continuous waves, Morse code, and its hobbyists. This is a waveform of a continuous wave. This is Samuel Morse, who created Morse code. This is his sequence of coding for Morse code. This is the telegraph in which you send Morse code. This is a waveform explaining amplitude oscillation. This is one of the CW clubs. This is in the US, and this CW club is in the UK. There are many more. This is an image of a carrier wave, and you should totally try this. It's interesting. And this was produced by Ethan Williams for the ICT 460 class.